Powder Handling Solutions for Paint and Pigment Manufacturing by Rieco. Paint manufacturers face challenges while dealing with powder handling of raw materials. To overcome these obstacles, Rieco offers high-quality product solutions in both the industrial and the decorative paint segments, ranging from the raw material transfer, storage, grinding and sieving to clean air systems. Paint is an amalgam of raw materials like titanium dioxide, calcium carbonate, china clay, silica sandstone, dolomite and other materials in ideal proportion. The paint manufacturing process can be broken down into 4 stages. In the first stage, raw material comes in tankers. Small bags are dumped manually in bag dump stations. Small bag unloading can be further automized by the use of bag slitting machines to automatically slit bags and dump material into the feed hopper. The big bags are emptied by an electric hoist and bag massager system in jumbo bag stations. The process starts with transferring the bulk quantity of raw material to storage silos. Silo cones need to be fluidized for a smoother flow of raw material at silo discharge. Bin activators are also used for the same. The second step proceeds with creating a batch of raw materials with precise quantities of materials. Here, a hopper with load cells is located below the storage silos. After getting the right quantity of material in the weighing hopper through screw conveyors, the batch will be dosed into the charge hopper through conveying line via rotary airlock valves. The third step involves transferring batch material into the charge hopper by selecting one with the help of diverter valves. Reaching the final step, the material is dosed in a TSD or a mixer with the help of RAV or screw conveyor below the charge hopper. A bag filter with necessary instrumentation is provided above silos and hoppers with adequate dust handling capacity. This ensures a clean work environment. All the system operations can be controlled through a PLC panel to minimize the need for human operators and the chances of human error. Eliminating all the obstacles, Rieco has presented ultra-modern solutions. Rieco, responsive, efficient, accountable.